In this video, I will show you how to create professional flyer poster design for online delivery services products using Canva. To create this professional flyer poster design, from the home page of the Canva, then search for, therefore click the enter button, click on category, click on Instagram post. From there, click on create blank. Here it is. Go to the element. Under the element, go to shape, click on see all under the shapes. Then select square. Here it is. Then bring it here. Adjust it this way. Then rotate it. Adjust it. It's okay this way. From the element, go back. Then you can now search for phone. Click on graphics. Click on mobile phone. Then scroll down. Select this. As I've said that all the elements are to be free, then fix it somewhere here. Drag it down a little bit. The next thing, under your elements, search for shadow. Click on graphics. Then select this. Make it smaller. Come to transparency at the upper side there. Then reduce the size to 50. Fix it somewhere here. Still increase it to 70 is okay. The next thing, go to the uploads. You select this very particular dispatch rider. Click on it. Then crop it. Come to the flip at the upper side there. Click on it. Flip horizontal. Then crop it. The next thing, fix it here. Then increase the size. Then rotate it this way till increase the size. The next thing, copy the shadow we have in there. Duplicate it, then rotate it, increase the size, fix it here. The next thing, click on position, click on layers, then bring the shadow here under the dispatch rider. Here it is. Still on the element, click on elements. Then search for speed lines. To pick the free one, you can see the other one are having the crown icon. Therefore, select this. Crop it by reducing the size. Rotate it. Then fix it here. It's okay this way. Then click on it, duplicate, bring it here. Increase the size, rotate it, fix it here. This is okay. Still on the element, then type light. Search for it. Select this. Try to enlarge it by increasing it. Fix it here. Then come to the position at the upper side there. Under the layer, bring it, let it be at the back of the phone. It's okay this way. Then come to the transparency at the upper side there. Reduce the level of the transparency. Then rotate it. It's okay this way. Then the color for the background, click on it. Then come to the upper side there, click on the color. Click on the color palette. Then click on the pick a color. Then fix it here. It's okay for this color. The shadow at the bottom here, click on it, duplicate it, and fix it here. Reduce the size. To have your text inserted on your design, click on letter T on your keyboard. Here it is. Bring it here. Then you cannot type. Then increase the size. Fix it here. Then duplicate it. Bring this here. Then delivery service. Then for the online, click on effect at the upper side there. Then click on background. To have it this way, then click on the color. Then click on the color palette here. Click on the color picker. Then fix this. This is okay. The next thing, you have to change the font type. Click on the canvas signs at the upper side there. Choose leaks pattern. Then delivery, come to the search bar. Give sans display. Click on it. Then the same thing on this. I want the same font on this. Then click on the copy style. Then fix it here in order to have it. That is the essence of this very particular copy style. Delivery, fix delivery here. Then services, fix it here as well. Then on this online, click on it. Then click on effects. Then the background, try to adjust some certain thing on it. The roundness. Duplicate services, bring it here. Then change it to, then change the font type. Change it to canvas sans. Reduce the size. Fix it here. Come to the element. Click on the square. Reduce the size. Fix it here. Change the color to white. Change the color. Then fix it for this. Then go to the color palette. Try to darken it. Then this, change it to black. The background. Then the color, change it to white. Now under the element, look for the splash rider. Click on graphics. Select this. Then fix it somewhere here. Go to edit. Then look for duotone. Fix this. Then the highlight, change it to white. The same thing, this shadow, change it to white. Reduce the size. Fix it here. The next thing, click on book now, duplicate it, fix it here, and change the color. Change it to this, darken it. Okay, then you can now change it to %30 discount. Therefore, this is how to create professional flyer poster design for online delivery services products using Canva. If I found this video very useful, please kindly subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, share the video with your family and friends. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.